Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in the Oaks. A little noisy today, but today we're going to be doing a pond clean out and refoaming. This is the pond we're going to be doing here. Just a small little pond inside the lanai. You got to do the clean out the skimmer and stuff, but up here in the waterfall area we've got to refoam in here. We're going to take care of this behind here. See all the gravel and stuff in behind here. We'll be pulling the liner in a little bit and refoaming that in there. Same with over here. We'll be refoaming all this over in here. This waterfall needs to be refoamed, reset that spill rock, and then up in there we'll be refoaming up in there too. So this is our job for today. We're going to be getting these guys all straightened out. We're going to take those little fish out here. We've got some platies in there. We've got some wagtails in there, they call them. We'll be getting those things. I don't know if you can see them or not, but we'll be taking those out and getting that all cleaned up. And we'll get it all foamed up and running back up for them and make our customers happy. That's what I like, a happy customer. We'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.